In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ranking question in Google Forms. First, open your form and look to the right-hand toolbar. Click the plus icon to add a new question. You'll see a blank question card appear. Click into the question text area and type what you want people to rank. For example, you might write, "Rank your favorite fruits." By default, Google Forms sets the question type to multiple choice. Google Forms doesn't have a dedicated ranking question type, so we'll switch it to something that works like ranking. Click the drop-down that currently says multiple choice and choose multiple choice grid. This format lets you list your items as rows and use numbered columns to indicate order, which is a clean, familiar way for respondents to rank things. If you prefer a simpler approach where people just pick a single favorite, you can choose drop-down instead. But for a true ranking across several items, multiple choice grid is the best fit. Now, fill out the grid. In the rows section, enter each option you want people to rank. Continuing our example, type apple, banana, and orange as separate rows. Next, move to the columns section and label your ranking scale. A clear setup is 1 equals most favorite, then 2, and finally 3 equals least favorite. Clear labels help your respondents understand exactly how to answer, reducing mistakes and making your results easier to analyze. Before you move on, scroll to the bottom of the question and toggle Required on. This ensures every respondent completes the ranking so you don't end up with partial data. Taking a moment to require the question now saves time later when you're reviewing responses. Next, let's preview how this looks to your audience. In the upper right corner of the form editor, click the eye icon to open a live preview in a new tab. Test the question by selecting a ranking for each item to confirm the layout makes sense and the labels guide people correctly. If anything looks confusing, like the order of columns or the wording, you can close the preview, make quick edits, and preview again until you're satisfied. When you're ready to share, go to the upper right and click the purple button to publish or send your form. From here, you can copy a link to share directly, send it by email, or generate embed code to place the form on a website. Choose the method that best suits your audience, and you're all set. That's how you create a clear, easy-to-answer ranking experience in Google Forms.